Okie dokie. Last chemo. And I'm back in the garden. And you know who's not very far behind me? What? I hear little animals running around in the trees. Let's go see what I've worked. Well, first of all, you can see I've done some weeding. I know you can't really tell, but this was a forest not long ago. But I needed to have a way to get to, look, I've decided to have one little cultivation area, and I've got it in rows so that when it rains, all the rain just doesn't run off. And then this is some coconut core, so it really holds moisture. It was just a little block, and now it's huge. And so I've got a little spot here that I'm gonna make a salad bar after all, and I'm excited. And I'm gonna try to keep all the weeds out of this one little spot. And I know just the YouTubers to go watch who keeps their little gardens perfect that I can watch. And a lot of times when I do watch their shows, I hop right up and start weeding my gardens because theirs is so beautiful and mine normally has weeds. But you can see weeds. Another big pile of weeds that have been sitting there forever. Another big pile. I've already toted off some big piles. Trash came yesterday. Oh, it feels so good. The breeze. I've dug stuff up. I've got stuff to share. I'm talking people into going plant-based because I'm running around the cancer center with my do-rag on. Everybody wants to talk to me. Hey, wait a minute. Somebody's trying to contact me. And look at these are my yacons. They're looking kind of good. There has been a serious war over whatever kind of vine you are, and you are causing me all sorts of problems because I let you grow wild one year not knowing what I was getting myself into because you had a pretty flower on you, and you're over there. I've got to get in there, but that's where the hornet got me. So I've been afraid to go back up in there. And then I'm not even going to go look at, well, yes, I am. Let's go see what that vine has done. Hate to even think about it. Yep. There's the vine right there. Well, there's my sweet potato. At least it's got competition from a sweet potato vine. Oh my goodness. I think what I'm going to do is have my guys come in here and just lay me a really good path through here so I can always walk up through here. I think that's what I'm going to do. Because I'm close. Oh, no, that's all wet. Let me come on through here. It's getting a little snaky looking, isn't it? Oh no, that's still in there. I need to save you. That's my trellis. It's being consumed. Uh-oh, SpaghettiOs. I forgot all about. I wanted to see what these tasted like. Uh-oh, are you all gone now? I forgot to harvest you. I forgot all about you, my hardy kiwis. I guess you're gone. I forgot about my hardy kiwis because you're at the back of my property. Well, and as you can see, I need to get it a tad bit more unsnaky. I don't see anything. Well, darn. Anything? No, nothing. I missed it again. Not one. I did pick one prematurely. There's nothing. Oh well. Maybe next year. At least I can say I have a kiwi vine. That trips people out. Oh my goodness. My figs. The blackbirds are tearing into my figs. Uh-oh. That vine has my mulberry. Oh, I shouldn't have walked over here. I have to save this for later. Or maybe hire somebody to come help me. Ooh, I wonder if anything's in there. Hey, is something in there? I hope so. I hope so. Oh, don't look. Phew. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Let me rock and roll a little. Look at me. Just think about one thing at a time. Why don't I do that? It's gorgeous. I'm so glad to be back in my yard again. I'm so glad. I missed you, yard. Ooh, that was all fluffy. That must be where all the moles live. Oh my gosh. I'm so tickled. Alrighty, well, let me get to planting or something. I don't know, but that's just gorgeous. Look at that. Gorgeous.